Hello, I'm Katrina, a little girl from Rio. Welcome to my channel, Nina Land. Can plants defend themselves? Plants are regularly under attack. They face threats ranging from microscopic fungi and bacteria, small herbivores like caterpillars and grasshoppers, up to large herbivores like koalas and elephants. Plants have a full range of physical and chemical defenses that make them a much less appealing meal, or even a deadly one. They do so without moving a spot from where they are growing. Some plants even have waxy leaves that are slippery when being climbed by small insects. This wax can also make them taste bad. Tomatoes, on the other hand, use chemicals repellents. Yes, can you believe it? A tomato can release compounds that signal nearby tomato plants to release their own insect repellent. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and share. You can also watch all the past and future videos by subscribing to my channel. Nina Land, the best YouTube channel for kids in the whole world.